So on weekdays when I get up to go for my runs, it's usually way too early to talk to you guys because it's too dark out here. So I don't have to run with a light this morning, but I mean, look at this desert sunrise. How amazing is that? So going out for a quick, maybe 30-minute run, and then hopefully most of the rest of the day we focus on getting this thing and all of the tools and everything else that I need over to our workshop. Maybe even get to spend a little bit of time getting set up over there. Maybe come back, finish tearing down stuff in my shop, and get set up there. So quick little 30-minute run, 30 to 40 maybe, and then start the day. Pretty great view up here. Not quite, but it sure starts to feel like you're on top of the world. So now that I've got this in here, the doors at the back, there's not a lot of space between having those open and the other work stuff that has to happen inside this workspace, because for now I'm sharing a small portion of this workshop with a cabinet shop, right? So looking at how I have this set up, and I backed in because I just kind of figured it'd be the easiest thing to still access these, but realizing how close I am, it might be better to pull in straight so that I have open back doors at the back. Means that I got all the space I want to get in and out. Plus then the sliding door would be on this side, which I have a little more space to work with if I wanted to be able to actually kind of be able to get in and out, pull things in and out, do a little bit of work out here, take apart back inside as we start to actually finally take the inside of this thing apart and turn it into a home. So I think I need to turn it around. Yeah, see now with the doors open, I can have these doors open up and like get in and out from the back real easy. But it also will mean we have room to be able to open this door and get in and out with plenty of space here. There's good 6-7 feet at least here for space there, so I can be able to move stuff in and out. I got some tools I need to unload. I want to show you guys those. So one thing for sure, that the cell phone signal here at this shop is terrible. There's pretty much non-existent when you're in the shop. You have to go all the way out into the parking lot to get any cell phone signal. So I just contacted the guy that I'm going to be using the space, borrowing it from basically for now until we get a lease and get everything else going. Anyways, they do have Wi-Fi, so I was finally able to get on Wi-Fi and contact other people. So make sure they know that I'm alive and that I'm here and that I'm inside the shop. So I'm gonna get some of the stuff unloaded from here because I do need to get a dry weight for the ambulance, hopefully sometime this week, and might as well just have the stuff unloaded from it for now. Not sure why, but this audio here ended up really terrible. I'm just gonna saying basically that I'm gonna try to tear out this seat back here. These bolts are very, very rusty. I did manage to get one of the bolts to start working their way up, but other than that, I couldn't even budge any of the other ones, so I'm gonna have to wait till I can come back and do this with actual power tools.